to Numrose Nation, you guys. We are home and Matt wants to do something. But let me show you. We have wheels. So I just kind of welded up some steel bars, put some padding around it, and he's ready to go. All right, Sarah, you gonna come?
I want to run.
Let him take it first. All right, Matt, you got to pull it.
Okay.
Second.
Okay.
I did.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes. Think he can do this, Sarah?
Hmm?
Think he can do this?
Yeah. Well, it might be a little hard.
It is bumpy.
And these little cracks in the dirt.
I know. Where are you going?
Going to the rivery pond.
Okay.
Matt, you said you were going to the rivery pond, right?
Oh, big hole. Hey, look at that. He got it up. All right, let's see how he's going to take it down. Matt, I would rather you go around down versus this little plopper offer thing. But hey, we still have deer, you guys.
No, we don't.
That is a deer track right there.
Oh.
I'm not sure if he's going to take it into this one, or there's actually one just on the other side.
He's going to take it into the rivery one.
How about he takes it into this first one?
Huh?
How about he takes it into the first one?
No, the rivery one.
Sarah? I know.
He's going to get a longer ride.
Well, that's fine. I want to make sure this thing works. It should. How does it pull, Matt? Alright, let's see if he can get this in all by himself. I doubt it, but... Are you going to go in right here, Matt?
Yeah.
Alright, well, how are you going to get down?
Feeding on my baby. There's another one. It's slipping now.
Alright. I'm not unbunging it.
I know.
You unbungee it.
I can.
No, we're going to let Matt do this.
Oh. Ow. Get off.
It's just one of the old bikes we had from the girls.
My bike. That I used and it was too tiny. Yeah.
You only have to unhook the one side, Matt.
Yeah. You wanted to unhook both. No, I didn't. Did.
Alright, before you guys say anything about a life vest, we know, but this pond is actually pretty small. So, okay. Now how do you get it down?
But I can swim.
Sarah?
What? Matt, you just rolled over the bungee.
Go ahead and pull. Hang on, Matt. Hang on.
Daddy, do you want me to hold it?
Nope.
I want to hold it.
You're not holding my phone.
Why?
Question is, can he get in by himself? He's going to have to learn, so.
I want to get in though.
Sarah, you're not going yet.
Oh, yeah.
He gets to go first.
And then me. And Dad.
Yep. I don't know what he's doing. Don't lose your paddle.
Matt, if you want me to hold the paddle. No. Cool. Matt, why'd you just rinse your feet off if you're even going to get dirtier?
I'd hold on to that cord.
Your paddles float.
Hope so. I'd sit down.
You can't tell me that it doesn't work because it just did.
Don't push with that. Scoot.
What?
You're gonna have to scoot.
There we go.
That one seems to be up better.
Yeah, this one seems higher.
He's going.
Sarah's turn for a ride.
But with me.
Yep. Not funny, Matt. Just take her for a ride, please. Well, it's still floating.
Not as high though.
Well, it's supposed to support me.
Oh, yeah.
And they're not fighting yet. Alright, you guys, it is the next morning. Matt had some friends spend the night, but we did get the kayak back up. And there's a fair bit of dirt on it. But what I didn't think of, and I'll show you, all that dirt, my car. Dirt, my car. Dirt, my car. Obviously, dirt is going to fall on my car. Didn't think about that. But the test went well. Actually supports Matt and Sarah. Julia was at a friend's house, so she didn't make it back to go on a little ride. But the wheels were good. Matt was able to pull it out to that field, to those both of those ponds. So I think it was a success. Much better than the one that gained water. And the dry storage actually stayed dry this time. So for his first kayak, being a fishing kayak, I think it went well. Soon he will be able to take it out and catch some fish. We gotta go over a little northern handling, but other than that, he should be good to go. Now I just gotta figure out if Lynn can drop it, put it on the van, or they'll just take the truck. So thanks for watching that one. We're gonna go celebrate his birthday with some family tonight, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.